Identify your triggers. Understanding what makes you angry is the first step toward controlling your reactions. Practice deep breathing. When you feel anger rising, take a moment to inhale deeply and exhale slowly to calm your mind. Take a time out. Give yourself a break from the situation by stepping away and allowing yourself to cool down. Use positive self-talk. Remind yourself that it is okay to feel angry, but how you respond matters more. Engage in physical activity. Exercise can help reduce stress and release built-up tension that may contribute to anger. Seek solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Focus on what you can do to resolve the situation instead of fixating on what angered you. Communicate assertively. Express your feelings in a calm and non-confrontational manner to prevent misunderstandings. Consider the bigger picture. Ask yourself if the situation will matter in the long term to gain perspective on your anger. Practice mindfulness or meditation. These techniques can help you stay present and manage your emotions more effectively. Seek support from friends or professionals. Talking about your feelings can provide clarity and help in managing anger. Journal your thoughts. Writing down what makes you angry can help you process your feelings and identify patterns. Find healthy outlets for your emotions. Engaging in hobbies or creative activities can provide relief and distraction. Learn relaxation techniques. Techniques such as yoga or progressive muscle relaxation can help you stay calm during stressful times.